Good morning, Vietnam. So today's mission is try to visit all the tombs, the Khai Dinh tomb, the Minh Mang tomb, Tu Duc tomb, and maybe we can go to the Hong Cheng temple and to Tieng Mu Padoga. So let's try it. Our first step. That dude is huge. By the way, I tried to go to the Tu Duc tombs and I didn't want to use Google Maps, so I tried to find my own way and I get lost a bit and I find this, so sometimes it's great to get lost. We finally arrived to the Tu Duc tomb. We're going to pay the entrance fee. It's 100,000. As everywhere in Vietnam, you arrive here with a motorbike. Everybody's calling you, hey, hey, motorbike, motorbike. But I parked my motorbike over here. I don't mind. We just got inside. Let's go check it out. So we walk for a while in the Tu Duc tomb. It's very hot, but it's okay. We have water. And we just came outside. We're going to catch up the bike and let's go visit some more places. So we just arrived at the Khai Dinh tombs. Another 100,000 for going inside. By the way, always buy your water before you come to a touristic spot because here you will pay 3 times the price. Let's go inside.